Hi, everyone. Judge Andrew Napolitano here for Judging Freedom. Today is Wednesday, August 3rd, 2022. It's about 10 after 2 in the afternoon on the East Coast of the United States. Yesterday, in a courtroom in Northern California, Paul Pelosi pleaded not guilty to driving under the influence of alcohol. Normally, this would not be something that we would discuss. He is, of course, the husband of Nancy Pelosi. She was not involved in the incident in which he was involved in an automobile accident where he injured another person. I've been very critical of DWI laws where people are stopped on a whim and prosecuted because of what the contents of their veins are. It's none of the government's business what the contents of your veins are. But if you harm someone, then the government has the right to engage in an investigation. And in this case, they did so. And after Paul Pelosi was arrested at the scene of an accident which he caused, he was given some sort of a test. I don't know if California uses a breathalyzer, whatever they used. His number came out to 0.82. That is 0.003 of 1% over the limit. If it was 0.79, they could not have prosecuted him. So somebody said to me, well, why did he plead guilty when he was over? Why did he plead not guilty when he was over the limit? Because it was so close to the limit. The slightest error by the operator of the equipment or by the equipment itself or the software in the equipment would result in a not guilty verdict. Second charge against him, to which he also pleaded not guilty, was causing injury while under DWI. So if he's acquitted of the first, if the true reading was 0.079 as opposed to 0.082, you can see how the law here is concerned with very, 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 very tiny differences. Then he'll be found not guilty. As a practical matter, criminal defense lawyers, whether it's DWI or murder, always advise their clients to plead not guilty. The government often makes mistakes. The government often forgets. The government often drops the ball. And a lot of people have gotten sort of a free ride when the government does that. Who knows what will happen in this case? I doubt the government will make a mistake in this case because of who his wife is. Not that she had anything to do with this. She didn't. But it draws a lot of media attention. If Paul Pelosi's name were Paul Jones or Paul Smith, we wouldn't even be talking about this. But because he is the husband of Nancy Pelosi, we are. But it's a lesson about how you can be impaled on the DWI laws by an infinite amount. So the job of his lawyers, using scientific testimony, would be to demonstrate to a judge that the 0.082 is wrong, and it's really something 0.003 of 1% below that. What is 0.003 of 1% of alcohol? So tiny, you can't even see it. Judge Napolitano for Judging Freedom.